Have you ever noticed this? You try to think positive, you try to move on in your life, but the same pain keeps coming back. It may be in your health, relationship, career, or money. You may think that you have moved on from that past relationship, but every time the memories of your old relationship keeps coming back. You may think that you have moved on in your career and has been able to attain a good position, but somewhere deep down you still feel low self-worth. You feel that you are not deserved to get into those positions, or somewhere you hold a lot of beliefs, fears regarding money. You might have also observed this in your life that you keep attracting health issues for no reason. You may be taking care of your health, you may be following a good diet, or you may be even exercising on a day to day basis, but still, somewhere, you are attracting a lot of health issues and you do not know what is the reason behind it. If you're someone who is going through all these kind of issues, somewhere deep down you feel stuck in your life. This happens because we have been holding on to a lot of unresolved emotional blocks within us. Even though we have moved on from that past relationship on a physical level, but on an emotional level, our body still remembers it. In science, we call this as neuroplasticity. That means that the brain remembers patterns, and the more you try to repeat these emotions, that means memorizing these emotions, it forms a strong network of neurons. That means strong bond of memories that keeps looping back in your life. So if you want to break these patterns, if you want to break these old memories, then you need to repeat something on a day-to-day basis. You need to build a ritual on a day-to-day basis. Today I'm going to help you with one powerful and an amazing technique which can truly help you to break these emotional patterns, break these old memories in your system. This is called Ho'oponopono technique. In Ho'oponopono technique, we use 4 phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And when you repeat these sentences again and again, you try to release those emotional blocks. Now you may think, how is this possible? Let me explain to you. As I told you before, our brain works on the basis of neuroplasticity, which means that our thoughts literally rewire our brain. When you repeat these phrases like I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you, you're actually interrupting the stress patterns in you. You calm your emotional center of the brain, that is the amygdala. Thereby, you're activating your natural body's healing mechanism. The words like I am sorry, I love you actually triggers a lot of emotional release within you. And most importantly, our body, that is our nervous system, shifts from survival mode to the safety mode. The words like I'm sorry and I love you activate self-compassion within you. Thereby, it increases your emotional safety, it increases your connection feeling, and also it releases the positive hormone called oxytocin. When you use words like please forgive me and thank you, you are taking 100% responsibility for this situation, wherein your brain tries to understand that you are trying to control the situation. And that's the reason why when you repeat sentences again and again, there is something called as cognitive reframing, where you are trying to interrupt those old memories, emotional pain within you. At the same time, you are actually reframing words like thank you and I love you, which are basically the positive words. The most important thing that you need to focus is when you're repeating these sentences, you need to feel the sentences. You need to feel it within your body. Do not just reframe those Do not just repeat those sentences for the sake of repeating, just feel it and then repeat it. Ho'oponopono is not actually a magic, it is nothing but a nervous system reset practice which is done in the form of a prayer. And when your nervous system changes, your health changes, your relationship shifts, your money patterns change, and your self worth will be building. If you really want to join my healing program and you want to understand what is Ho'oponopono and how you can heal all the areas of life through Ho'oponopono, click on the link below and I'll see you there.